Welcome to Safeway Hardware, family business here. My father opened up in '88. So we've been around for a while, seen the neighborhood change. Things have been different for the better. Dramatic change for the better, I would say. You know, things are different, but Brooklyn is a beautiful place to be, and just want to say we are one of the pioneers of the neighborhood. We were one of the first businesses, if not the first business, out here on Bedford Avenue. You know, the American dream, my parents opened up. We got, he has 3 kids. We all try to help out. There's always family in here, so there's always a good vibe. And you know, we provide locksmithing services amongst other good customer service. Provide locksmithing services, but I also, like I said, we've been in the neighborhood many years, so I know a plumber on staff. We have electricians. We got people that'll take scrap stuff out of your house and dispose of it. You know, I'll get you a mortgage if you need a mortgage. That's not a problem. But just want to let you know we're here, and this is just a little something just to get to know us.